RC-T47. This miniature drone has good flight quality and is capable of recording video. The product also includes interchangeable propellers, a screwdriver, the instruction manual, and a USB charger. When bent, the Google RC-T47 is no bigger than a smartphone. To put it in working position, you just have to push out the 4 lateral legs on which the propellers are located. The user can control the drone using the control panel or a smartphone. Simply press a button to take off and land. To change the direction, you must tilt the remote control in the desired direction and use the joystick to gain altitude and turn. Unlike many other models which require a complete training course to control them, anyone can literally control the Google RC-T47 in 5 minutes. The price of this drone is only $50. This new compact keyboard allows you to control the cursor on the screen with the help of an invisible touch panel. Moki uses a series of infrared optical sensors to track hand and finger movements. This creates an invisible touchpad on the keyboard surface. Users can perform operations using the gestures we normally use to scroll or zoom, among others. Activate the touchpad by pressing and holding a special button under the spacebar. Bluetooth LE wireless communication is used to connect the device to any computer, smartphone, or tablet. The built-in battery charge can run for up to 3 months, working up to 4 hours a day, and the cost of the device is $74. Wiggle Kit. This exceptional device allows you to change your voice in real time using different gestures. It has the size of a small remote control, and you can control 3 different audio effects in the following ways: by moving your hands up and down, to the right and left, or by turning your wrist. The control is just that. And, in fact, the most important part of the Wiggle Kit is its software. For beginners as well as experienced musicians, the developers offer a mobile application, which does not require a professional microphone as it uses the one on the mobile device. Wiggle synchronizes with your phone via Bluetooth. The capacity of the built-in battery is enough for 3 hours of continuous operation. The device includes a mini USB cable, a remote control, and an accessory for the microphone. You can buy Wiggle Kit for $140. CarWink proposes using simple communication methods to meet the needs of drivers while driving. Using speech recognition, the device can transmit different emotions. Do you want to report an accident or thank the driver who let you pass? CarWink will help you. To activate the device, you must program it in advance and attach it to the rear window of the car. After that, the device will transform some phrases into emotions and will show them to other drivers. You can buy this intelligent highway assistant for $79. IQ Insight. This unique device professionally determines visual acuity at home in just a few minutes. To get started, you must install the mobile application My IQ VA. The gadget itself connects to the smartphone via Bluetooth. After that, the application sets certain settings, and IQ Insight is ready to work. The mobile application stores all analysis results, making it possible to track the dynamics of change in vision. You can buy the device for $79. MeeGo. This is a 3D printer with a minimalist design. MeeGo is available in 2 versions, which differ in the size of the construction area. The design allows you to quickly replace the extrusion device with a laser engraver. The developers of this printer did not focus too much on technical features, paying more attention to the ease of use of the device. This includes automatic calibration and the ability to remotely monitor and manage the device using a mobile application. Pre-order this gadget for $219. Vive Fit. Today, hundreds of different wireless headset models can be found on the market, but not all manufacturers are able to create truly comfortable headphones for long-term use. That is why the Japanese startup Vive has developed a perfect headset for everyone. Its main feature is its body, made of soft silicone which takes the shape of the ear canal and adapts to the structure of the user's ears. According to the manufacturer, the battery life of Vive Fit headphones is 4.5 hours. The special carrying case allows you to transport and carry the headphones with you, while providing more than 33 hours of work. You can buy Vive Fit for $89. Go Sun Go. This is a completely autonomous stove for frying, boiling and cooking food, as well as boiling water for tea or coffee without using fire or gas. Go Sun Go consists of a transparent glass cylinder with a vacuum insulation and a food tray. Using steel reflectors, the device absorbs sun rays, heating the contents to 260 degrees Celsius in just a few minutes. The fragile glass used by Go Sun Go is protected by a rigid trunk, which functions as a casing and support. The furnace is put into operation with just a couple of movements. It has a volume up to 420 milliliters, enough for a personal portion. Thanks to the absorption of a wide range of sunlight, you can use the Go Sun Go even in cloudy environments. The oven is on sale for $85. Easy Bike. This device lets you turn your conventional bike into a great electric bike. The battery, motor and controller set with all the necessary accessories will cost you only $159. The installation does not require any special tools and will just take a few minutes. The bike equipped with Easy Bike can reach 15 to 20 miles per hour and travel approximately 30 miles on one charge. The battery will be charged in 2 or 3 hours. The easily removable battery module allows you to recharge your bike even at work, and you can buy it for $159. The future of homes. This exceptional, fully intelligent house model is under development, and it's for now only a concept. According to the manufacturer's idea, the house of the future is a practically isolated virtual castle, which can be activated only by the owners of the house. Several games and entertainment systems in the house will make use of virtual reality too. As this model is in the design stage, it was not possible to determine the price or the planned date for the presentation of the project.
Guys, it's time to recharge your brain. Visit the channel Brain Time. There you'll find a lot of interesting and useful facts, lots of positive energy and tons of useful information. Subscribe right now. We promise it's going to be really exciting.